In this video demonstration, you will learn how to run an inventory transaction inquiry report. The inventory transaction inquiry report lists the individual inventory transactions, such as adjustments or transfers, that correspond to the vaccine and date range selected by the user when running the inquiry. Let's take a look at how to run this inquiry. From the Vaccine Inventory on Hand screen, first select the vaccine you want to work with, and from the Action drop-down menu, select Inquiry. You will be navigated to the Inventory Transaction Inquiry Report Selection Criteria screen. Verify the provider, inventory location, vaccine, funding source, manufacturer, and lot number. Disregard the batch name. This is separate functionality that you will not need to use in most cases. You can optionally enter an expiration date range and/or transaction date range. For example, if you only want to view the transactions for the month of June, you could enter June 1st, 2016 through June 30th, 2016 for the transaction date range. You can also choose the output type, such as PDF, which is an easy-to-print format, HTML, or an extract file, which allows you to sort the results in an Excel spreadsheet. Please note, if you choose to run an extract file and you want to save it in an Excel format, make sure you enter a comma in the delimiter field. For training purposes, I'm going to run this report as a PDF document. Click the Run button to generate the report and view the results. All transactions for my vaccine are listed on this inquiry report. You will be able to see the transaction ID, source inventory location, destination inventory location if this transaction was a transfer, transaction date, vaccine manufacturer, NDC, lot number, funding source, expiration date, transaction type, such as adjustments, and the number of doses, as well as the net change. The net change is the number of doses you have on hand in CIIS after the transaction is made. For each transaction, you will also see the adjustment reason if it was an adjustment type and any additional comments. You will also be able to view who created the transaction and who last updated the transaction. In this example, I added 5 doses of Tdap to my inventory location. Anytime you see a number in parentheses, it means these doses were subtracted from your CIIS on-hand inventory. At the end of the report, you will see the transaction type totals and the total net change. This report can be useful in resolving inventory tracking problems. For example, if your physical inventory count does not match what you have in CIIS, you can run this report to help you troubleshoot the problem. To return to the Vaccine Inventory on Hand screen, click the Cancel button. This is how you run an inventory transaction inquiry report. Thank you for watching this training demonstration.